Meaning of estate agent.
Estate agent.
Estate agent.
Estate agent.
Estate agent. An estate agent, also known as a real estate agent, is a professional who specializes in buying, selling, and renting properties such as homes, apartments, and commercial buildings. They act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, ensuring that properties are marketed effectively, negotiating deals, and managing the paperwork involved in transactions. Estate agents must stay up to date on market trends and regulations, and possess strong communication and negotiation skills. Ultimately, their goal is to help clients find or sell properties at the best possible price and terms.